Welcome to 8590 Verona Walk Circle, a beautiful Tifton model with nearly 2,200 square feet under air and a saltwater heated pool. Verona Walk offers a resort-style community with a 20,000 square foot town center featuring numerous amenities including 24-hour fitness, pickleball courts, tennis, bocce, and 20 miles of walking paths. Verona Walk is located convenient to both Fifth Avenue, downtown Naples, shopping, fine dining and restaurants, and also Marco Island. I'm proud to announce my new book, Sell Smart, the proven formula for getting top dollar for your home. Please contact me for additional information and tips on selling your home, or for more information on the property that we just toured together, please contact me, Diane Mato, at Premier Sotheby's International Realty at the number below.